Hello and welcome. So today, without wasting much time, I got an email from Hedra AI. So they just released the character-2 feature. And this is the email. You can see character-2 is now available. Experience ultra realistic generations now in different aspect ratios. So you can see this is very realistic as this image. So what's new? Apparently, there's vertical and wide screen aspect ratios. So you can create both in vertical and in horizontal aspect ratios. You can see these are wow, these are very realistic images. Very realistic. So the character 2 model delivers enhanced character quality, smoother movements, and significantly improved generations. That's incredible. So let's look at the official announcement on X. Will take us to X right now. Okay, so this is it. Character 2 is here. Key highlights are the widescreen and vertical support, the massive quality boost. Let's play this video. Let's see.
Around. Hedra has brought us to life,
with the most advanced character model in the world.
and we're here to
Share your story.
We now have more expressive faces
and are available in all the aspect ratios you need.
to tell your story.
free today at Hedra.com.
You're still here. It's over. Go home.
So that is it. Hedra 2, you can see the beautiful and ultra realistic characters. Let's put it to a trial. So over here, I'm at Hedra.com. So I'm going to write. We have audio, we have character, we have then generated video. You will be able to generate, I believe, up to 4 minute long videos. So let's write something here. Let's say you are going to the moon tonight to bring the stars back to Earth. Then for the image, I'm going to use a very handsome picture of myself. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the image. It's all let's just leave it simple with the beard. Okay, then let's just stylize the eye strength. Okay. So this is generating for us, as you can see. I tapped stylized. So let's wait for the result. Incredible. Let's see. Tap it again. I'm going to reduce the AI strength. Using the AI strength. Do that one more time. So this is generating. This is generating a. Okay, as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this description Perhaps the beard. I'm just going to leave it at a tall, vibrant, masculine man. Then let's go to stylize. AI strength reduced. And let's see. Okay. I'll go with this. Say create. Let's see. Wow. Hedra AI.